Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are setting up with our WRD Pro 6 on our 07 Dodge Grand Caravan here. And this is a relatively tall windshield, so what we're going to do is we are going to change our balance point simply by changing our reference point that we measure from. So I got a video before showing how you can change any balance point. So on that one, I think I showed you can do it from the edge of the frit band right here where the matrix is at. This one we're actually going to come down to, not the AS1 line, but we're going to come down to where our shade band actually starts. So right about there. Looks like maybe about halfway between the frit matrix and the AS1 line. So, and that should bring our balance point down enough to make it a little easier to swing this windshield out and over and not have it be too bottom heavy when we're setting it. So just like normal, we're going to find our point here, come down, and we are going to put top of our bar here at about the bottom of our mark on here, and our screw right here with the top edge of our pillar like normal. So that is all that. And then over here you can see we don't even have an AS1 line on this side on this one. So but we are going to look and see where our shade band is at, right about there, and then set up as normal. Thumb at the base of the post, 90 degrees, and perpendicular to the edge of our glass here. And lock that down, and that is our setup for this taller windshield on this 07 Grand Caravan. Alright, give me a few minutes to get this torn apart and we will show the set. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Back again to set this 07 Dodge Grand Caravan with our adjusted balance point here. So let's give this a lift, see if I can do this without killing my back, and get this guy set. And without sticking my chin in the urethane. So, got him hung up on there. And you can see how easy that is to move. I got that almost balanced just right. Just like that. Come on. Don't hurt your back, guys. That sucks. Just like that, we are set and ready to put it back together. Adjusting that balance point definitely made it a lot easier, and it made it a lot less bottom heavy, so it was really easy to rotate and bring that up to the right angle to get it set. So, thanks for watching. Until next time.